Step 1. Identify content type. Non-story. Animated movies are exciting. They capture attention with colorful visuals. Popular among children and adults alike. Feature a blend of humor, adventure, and lessons. Pioneers include Disney and Studio Ghibli. Disney known for classic characters. Studio Ghibli famous for artistic storytelling. Modern studios exploring diverse themes. Pixar revolutionized animation with technology. DreamWorks brings humor and action. Animated movies evolve with technology. Include 2D and 3D animations. Address various genres from fairy tales to sci-fi. Modern classics include Toy Story and Spirited Away. They provide memorable experiences for all ages.